Yes, ma'am. How's it going?
Hi, Judge. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm here, Ms. Shaniqua Smith, Judge.
Okay.
I the court with an update on it. We have everything submitted for the DWI PTI program. However, Ms. Smith attempted to get the interlock device on her vehicle, but she has an electric vehicle, so she was told that it would not be able to get placed on her car. So Attorney Carter has been communicating with Beetle to try to figure out what we need to do then.
Whoa! Electric vehicles and DWI programs don't mix easily. Since most ignition interlock systems require a traditional engine hookup, EVs create a legal grey zone. Should the court adjust old rules for new tech? Or should defendants still face full accountability despite the car type? Comment below. What's fair here?
He's no longer here, so
We haven't heard back from him, so that's why.
yeah, he's not with the office anymore.
Okay. Okay.
Alex, do you have any idea what they do with electric vehicles?
So we do have information that she was approved for the DWI program. And then they emailed a procedure to follow. So presumably if she still follows the procedure outlined in the email sent from Beetle prior to his departure, then.
Well, the issue isn't necessarily the procedure. It's what do we do when we can't get the interlock device installed on the vehicle, which is part of the procedure based on her having an electric
Does she
car.
have another vehicle?
No, Judge. And I know she has to drive, so she can't do the portable because then she has to sign the affidavit, which would say she's sworn to not be able to drive.
So in that case, it would probably be best to reach out to Brenda Gomez or Bernadette Habe, who's in charge of right now the DWIs.
Hold on a second. Let's do that, and then.
Uh-oh, bond violations. That's a serious curveball. You can feel the tension shift instantly. When someone on bond breaks even a small rule, it tells the judge one thing. Can this person really be trusted? What do you think? Should this count as strike 2, or is the system too harsh on small mistakes?
Your client has bond violations too. Do you know that?
No, Judge, that I did not know.
Shaniqua Smith, come up. I'm printing this out for you.
Judge.
Who is the other one? Gomez, and who is the other one? Alex?
Bernadette Habe. I can.
Oh, Bernadette, she's Miss Habe. She's the one in charge of everything, right?
Yeah, she's the one overseeing.
I mean, if you want to go talk to her, but she's got bond violations. Yeah, you guys go figure out, but you've got bond violations, man. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Okay, please.
Thank you, I'll step aside. Thank you.
Hey, what's up?
Just want to let you know I'm actually going to be the new DV prosecutor for here.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
Good. How are you, Judge?
It's been a while, right?
It has been, yeah. Yeah.
Where you been?
I was just in court 4. You know, since I was interning, I went back to school, finished up, and then came here as a post bar. And then I've been in court 4 the entire time, and I just got moved into DV.
Okay,
yeah.
so are you going to be just with us? It's 2 courts though, right?
It's 2 courts, so I'm in 5 and 7, so I'll be on the floor. So,
Thanks.
and I guess ERD whenever that happens, but somebody should be just covering me when I'm over there. But yeah, so I'll let you know.
Thanks.
What did you say about the PBR?
They're out talking.
But it shouldn't be taken out of her account, but she will be possession.
Oh,
Yes, but still, we were able to explore. Okay, time served. She didn't just get up the pizza. I said she prepared the pizza, so she just. Okay, then maybe she doesn't have to start with that. But she's on. She's on the trial right now, right? I'm not a supervisor, so whenever they're preparing to go on to PCI, they have to get certain things done. So I believe one of those conditions, or we don't state in there. So to get approved for PCI, she had to get the additional permit. So she must have just started getting that, and they might be required to pay. Well, that's probably what that situation is. Yeah, we call the complainant and see what we can.
Have permission to approach?
Yep.
Would you like me to ask Ms. Smith to come up again?
And there it is. The final warning. The judge draws a hard line. No more excuses, no more chances. This isn't about punishment anymore. It's about trust, control, and the limits of patience. Can redemption still happen after this? Let's talk. Is the judge being too strict or just doing her job?
And I spoke to Wolf, and I didn't realize he had already had a conversation with her judge. And I will. I did speak to Wolven Carter, and he advised that he had spoken to Ms. Smith as well regarding the possibility of this being the result. He and I spoke to her again just a moment ago. We were out there on call, and at this time, Judge, Ms. Smith, that we were going to have her speak on her own behalf, Judge. So I think it's important for her to take ownership for what this report showed.
I don't care. I'm putting an ankle monitor on you now. If you ever test positive for alcohol again, I'm going to put you in jail. That's it. No means no. Doesn't mean it's the holidays, doesn't mean I have a birthday. A court order is a court order. And when you don't follow court orders, there's only one place that we have you go. There's no tolerance anymore. And I don't care what you come up here and say, whether it's mouthwash, a tequila lollipop, hair dye, I don't care. And I don't care who you're with. A second violation. Do you understand? Today you will get an ankle monitor, and I'm going to tell you now, it is extremely finicky. So best beware of anything that you put in your body. Okay, no more. That's it. Okay. As far as the other, I don't know. What I would suggest is, email if you can now, Brenda Gomez, and see how we handle it, because I don't know. All I know is that this case is nearly 200 days old, and now we have violations, and I'm ready to put this thing to bed. I'm not going to hold it anymore.
Yes,
So,
Judge, understood.
I'll give you guys to the end of the week, figure out what we need to do.
Okay.
But you're walking a very, very thin line. Do you understand? All right. So Felicia, if we can amend it to put it on today, please. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Can I get contact information for who you said I need to speak with? I want to make sure I have the email.
Yeah, so
I can just take a quick
the person looking at
photo.
it is gonna be Bernadette Havey, so,
May I just-
yeah, you can just.
Okay, it'll make it easier though.
Yeah. And then the other person, do you have Brenda Gomez's contact information?
Just make sure I have it.
I don't know if you got this email before, because it has it on there.
Oh,
They're gonna
okay.
make sure of it
Just so
again.
I can double check.
Yeah.
I'd rather do this
good
now
idea.
than not have it later
Yeah,
if I
no
walk off.
problem. Yeah.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care.